Dear students, I am Sher Lakho, lecturer at Government Degree College Kandiaro. I am lecturer in Zoology. Today I have selected two topics from class first year, subject Zoology, chapter number 13. My first topic is respiratory organs of Hydra, and my second topic is respiratory organs of cockroach. First of all, I would like to start first topic, respiratory organs of Hydra. As you know that Hydra is a multicellular organism. It lives in water. It is a diploblastic animal and it has two layers. It belongs to phylum Cnidaria or Coelenterata. It lives in a fresh water and it has no special respiratory organs. It means gases exchange takes place by simple diffusion. There is no special kind of organ, and its body is composed of two layers. One is called ectoderm. It is outer layer. Ectoderm is outer layer. And it has an inner layer called endoderm. So the water is present around its body. Water is present in its surrounding, means this animal intake oxygen from water and it gives carbon dioxide into water. From surrounding with the help of ectoderm cells, means oxygen goes into body of an animal from surrounding water from the ectoderm, and from the ectoderm carbon dioxide diffuses out of the body. Then it has an endoderm. Endoderm is also bathed with water. The water which comes from the gastrovascular cavity, the water comes from the mouth, it is stored in the gastrovascular cavity. Water has oxygen, then this oxygen diffuses into the endoderm and carbon dioxide diffuses out of the endoderm into the gastrovascular cavity. So from its mouth carbon dioxide goes out of the body, and carbon dioxide also goes out of body from the ectoderm. Simply we can say this animal has no special kind of organ. So it a simple diffusion takes place, simple exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in this animal. Now my second topic is respiratory organs of cockroach. Cockroach is advanced animal. It belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. All insects, they have a special type of respiratory organ, a special type of respiratory system that is called tracheal system. Tracheal system is nothing, it is system of tubes. There are some special type of tubes present in the insects, in the cockroach. Now cockroach, the tracheal system of cockroach consists of following consist of following parts. Number 1 spiracle, number 2 trachea, number 3 is tracheole. There are 10 pairs of spiracles. Spiracles are the openings from which oxygen enters. When inhalation takes place, it takes place from the spiracles. Now, there are 10 pairs of spiracles present in the cockroach, and 2 pairs are present in the thoracic region, 8 pairs are present in the abdominal region. There are 3 regions of the insects. The body of insects is divided into 3 regions: head, thorax and abdomen. Now, spiracle is an opening from which oxygen from outer environment enters into tracheal system through spiracles. When oxygen enters into spiracle, it then goes to the trachea. From trachea, it goes to tracheoles, where tracheoles, they are inserted, they are poured, they are present in the tissues or in the cells, in the muscles of the animal, in the muscles of the cockroach, where exchange of gases takes place. So we can define tracheoles. Tracheoles are the sites. Tracheoles are the sites where exchange of gases takes place. Means tracheoles, they provide oxygen to the tissues, to the cells. These are the muscles of the cockroach. I have drawn here. Oxygen enters through spiracle, then trachea, then tracheoles. Here in tracheoles, here exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen enters into the tissues of the body of the animal, of the cockroach, and carbon dioxide is taken by the tracheoles. Then the carbon dioxide goes out of the body via cuticle. So it is there is diagram I have drawn. You can watch, you can see. It is the simplest diagram. Simply we can say that tracheal system is a system of tubes. Means cockroach respires with help of the tubes. These tubes consist of spiracle, trachea and tracheoles, and exchange of gases takes place in the tracheoles.